Fruits and berries. Fruits and berries are among the world's most popular health foods. These sweet, nutritious foods are very easy to incorporate into your diet because they require little to no preparation. 1. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, and numerous antioxidants. They are very filling and make the perfect snack if you find yourself hungry between meals. 2. Avocados. Avocados are different from most other fruits because they are loaded with healthy fats instead of carbs. They are not only creamy and tasty but also high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. 3. Bananas. Bananas are among the world's best sources of potassium. They are also high in vitamin B6 and fiber and are convenient and portable. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also among the most powerful sources of antioxidants in the world. 5. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content. What's more, they're high in fiber and antioxidants. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are highly nutritious and low in both carbs and calories. They're loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and manganese and are arguably among the most delicious foods in existence.